Folks, this is just to send condolences to the 19 firefighters who were killed in the Yarnell, Arizona fire. Horrible, horrible blaze that was started reportedly by a lightning blast, I believe Saturday night, which spread and through Sunday has now consumed 8,400 acres in northwestern Arizona. Just horrible. And it has caused the destruction of 200 homes, as well as the aforementioned firefighters. The gentleman, part of an elite firefighting force that went in specifically to redirect that fire and save lives, and in the process wound up losing their own. Here is a chart of the organizations, including the American Red Cross of Arizona and United Way and the Arizona Community Fund, where you can send money to help people recover from this horrible, horrible tragedy. Again, my condolences to the families of the 19 firefighters that gave their lives trying to help others.